Next question 24. Calculate the time required to complete 3/4 of first order reaction if its velocity constant is 9.212 into 10 raised to minus 4 per second. Velocity constant is nothing but rate constant. It is also called as the specific rate constant. This is the K value is given. Which thing is as time required? What a relationship to complete 3/4 reaction. T is equal to 2.303 upon K into log to the base 10 A0 upon AT. Here K is given 9.212 into 10 raised to minus 4. This is the value of K. Then here log A0, we have to consider here 4 or 1. Then 3/4 reaction complete. Then what is the remaining one? 1 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 4. 1 upon 1 by 4. This is the 3/4% reaction, 3/4 part completed. 1 by 4 left behind. Let us solve this one. T is equal to 2.303 upon 9.212 into here into 10 raised to 4 log to the base 10 4. We know that log to the base 10 4 is nothing but the 2 square. 2 square is nothing but T 2.303 upon 9.212 into 10 raised to 4 into 2 log 2 is equal to 0.3010. Now this ratio 2.303 upon 9.212, this ratio is equal to here 1 by 4 into 2, this one into 10 raised to 4 into 0.30. 2 upon 4, 2, 1 by 2 into 0.30 into 10 raised to 4 is equal to 0.15 into 10 raised to 4. Then what is this one? 1500 second. 1500 second is answer given. Here answer is not 1500 second here. That is in a minute. Let us convert this of 1500 second in a minute by dividing 60. 1500 upon 60. This is equal to 25 minute. A is correct option. Come to the question number 25. A reaction twice A plus B uses C plus D follows the mechanism as. Now mechanism of the reaction is given. Let us see our mechanism. First step, slow step, half A plus B uses E plus D. Second step, fast 3/2A plus E uses C. Dear students, we know that in reaction mechanism, slow step also called as rate determining step. And remember very important statement. Only those molecules come in the slow step, rate determining step, those are involved, those are present in rate law. Then in a slow step, which molecules? Half A and 1 B. Therefore rate law must contain this one. Rate is proportional to A raised to half B raised to 1. Half plus 1 is equal to 3/2 is the order of reaction. 3/2 D is the correct option. 3/2. Then come to the next numerical 26. If T half is half life period of a first order reaction, the time T required to complete 25% reaction will be. हमें टाइम फाइंड करना है कितने परसेंट रिएक्शन फिनिश करने के लिए 25% रिएक्शन फिनिश करनी है हमें. देखते हैं फॉर्मूला. T 2.303 T is equal to 2.303 upon K, log to the base 10, A0 upon AT. We know that K is equal to 0.693 upon T half. Okay. Then A0 is 100%, 25 कंप्लीट हो गई रिएक्शन. कितनी बचेगी रिएक्शन? फिर 75% रिएक्शन बचेगी. 75. Then 100 upon 75, 4 by 3, log of 4 by 3 is equal to 0.12, approximately equal to 0.12. भूलना नहीं है, 4 by 3 बहुत टाइम आता है इसमें केमिकल काइनेटिक्स में. log 4 by 3 is equal to 0.12. तो इसको एडजस्ट करते हैं, पूरा वैल्यू होगा 0.12. 0.12. Let us arrange this equation. T is equal to 2.303 into 0.12 into T half. और ये रेशो भी आता है 2.303 upon 0.693 is nearly equal to 3.33 into 0.12 into T half. If we solve this one, this is equal to this one, 0.3996 into T half. This is nearly equal to 0.4 into T half. This must be the final answer. 0.4 into T half. B is correct option. Then 27th question, for a reaction, consecutive reaction, multi-step reaction. ऐसा रेडियोएक्टिव सीरीज रहती है, एलिमेंट X decomposes to give Y, Y again decomposes to give Z. This is called as the series of reaction, consecutive reaction. If we start from A से start करना है, then which statement correct? All species A, B and C are present at every instant, at any time. ये तो पॉसिबल नहीं रहेगा, हर एक टाइम के लिए जरूरी नहीं है तीनों स्पेशीज हो गए या नहीं, तो ये रॉन्ग है. कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ सी इंक्रीजेस, ओके, इनिशियली एंड देन डिक्रीजेस. ये कभी भी पॉसिबल नहीं, डिक्रीज होगा नहीं. रिएक्शन नॉट रिवर्सिबल, पॉसिबल नहीं है, ये भी रॉन्ग है. कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ बी इंक्रीजेस, ओके, एंड बिकम्स कांस्टेंट आफ्टर सम टाइम. हाँ, इंक्रीजेस या आधा पार्ट ठीक है, बट the remaining 50 part, that means remaining half statement becomes constant after some time. This is wrong. फिर D correct होना चाहिए. देखते हैं. Concentration of B increases, reaches maximum and then decreases. That is the correct one. Rate of formation of B increases, reaches maximum and then decreases. That is the correct one. D is correct option. Super 30 का question number 28. The decomposition of N2O5 in liquid bromine is given as. This is the decomposition. If N2O5 is equal to 0.75 mole per liter at a time T is equal to 0, this is nothing but initial concentration. And N2O5 is equal to 0.20 mole per liter at a time T is equal to 40 minutes. What is the rate of formation of NO2 after the same time, means at 40 minutes? Let us write the relative instantaneous rate minus half d by dt. Concentration of N2O5 is equal to plus 1 by 4 N2O5 NO2. हमको ये d by dt है, d by dt. Here the question is asked rate of formation of NO2. That means 4 comes here. We get minus 4 by 2 d by dt, change in concentration. Final 0.20 mole per liter minus initial 0.75 upon time for T. This is d by dt of NO2 gas. Let us solve this one. This is upon 40, 10, and if we solve this one, the answer come to be 2.75 into 10 raised to minus 2 mole per liter. The answer is A, correct. 2.75 into 10 raised to minus 2 molar. इधर मैं 3 कर देता हूँ. That's why this is the not answer. 2.75 into 10 raised to minus 2 mole per liter is the correct one. Let us solve the next question. Question number 29. 29 में देखते हैं जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन दी है. For a zero order reaction, the ratio of time required to complete 80% and 60% of the same reaction ratio is as. Which ratio? T 80% upon T 60% rate. देखते हैं what is the zero order rate expression. A0 minus 80 upon T is equal to K. We can write here K. This is equal to here T. First part में देखते हैं part 1. 80% reaction complete. For the A0 100, 80% complete means 20% remaining, 80 concentration left behind, minus 80 upon K is equal to here T. कितना परसेंट कम हो गई रिएक्शन? 80% सॉरी, तो 20% बच जाएगी इधर. is equal to T. This is equal to 80 upon K is equal to T is nothing but 80%. Then same is the true for part second. In part second 60% बोला है. 60% रिएक्शन कंप्लीट हो गई रिएक्शन. 80% के लिए 80 अपॉन क्या आया था, तो 60% के लिए क्या आ जाएगा? यह 60% के लिए आ जाएगा 60 by K. देखते हैं हम. इनिशियल 100 है, 60% निकल गया है, 40% रिमेनिंग. 100 minus 40 is nothing but 60. Then ratio is as here 80 by K upon 60 upon K is equal to T 80%, T 60%. Let us solve this one. 80 upon 60, K gets cancelled. 8 by 6 is nothing but here 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is the correct option. B is correct option. Last question of a super 30. Assertion reason type question is given. So here assertion statement 1 है, reasons statement second है, or you know the what are the options in such question, but I mentioned here. Assertion statement 1. Acid catalyze hydrolysis of ester is first order reaction. Yes, no doubt. Overall order of reaction is of first order. Actually, this is the pseudo first order reaction. Yet, actually, the statement is here pseudo first order reaction. Okay. And reason statement second, concentration of H2O is negligible. Then, what is the acid catalyzed hydrolysis of ester? RCOO R dash H2O acid catalyzed, we get acid plus alcohol R dash OH. Suppose we write the rate law. What is the rate law? R C double bond O R dash into concentration of H2. But a concentration of H2O is constant, not negligible. स्टेटमेंट ये क्या है, रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट है, रीजन रॉन्ग है, निग्लिजिबल नहीं है. कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ H2O इज इन अ लार्ज एक्सेस, huge excess, practically it remains constant. Rate is proportional to RCOO, R dash raised to 1 into constant. Here rate is equal to here K1 R C double bond O R dash, another constant K2, this is equal to K. Then this is pseudo first order reaction. But the reason is concentration of H2O is present in a excess, huge. But he is given here negligible. Reason is wrong. Statement is correct. Now look here. C is the correct option. First is correct, but the second is wrong. Therefore, option C is correct one.